We're going to do a brief video on Nike. It's NKE Stock Analysis, and we've got a 5-day moving average in green on here, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. If we take a look at this daily chart of Nike, we can see that Nike's been in a bear market since about January of 2022, and it's currently in a complete free fall. Today it's down almost 10.5% on 24 million shares. Its normal volume 6 million shares a day. Price is about $85.46, down about $9.87 right as we speak. So this stock's taking a bath today, and there's a lot of reasons for that. The first thing is we can see it's below the 200-day moving average. It's below the 20-day moving average, below the 5-day moving average, and it's making new lows. There's just absolutely no support. If we go to a weekly chart here for Nike, we can see that it's broken through its 200-day moving average back here in May, but it was trading back and forth close to it, trying to catch some support off of it. Obviously, it's not getting support, but it was trading around it. You can see that it was doing that, but now it's just free falling away from it. Importantly, it's below the 20-day moving average. You can see that the 200-week, moving average is starting to flatten out, but the 20-week moving average is definitely just in complete bear market territory, below the 200-week, and the prices are significantly below it and the 5-week moving average. So this stock's in very bad position technically. You can look over here and see March 20th, the low on this stock is $60. This low right here for the week is $82.50. So this stock has no support until it's about $60. Now that doesn't mean other new support can't come in the 70s, and I suspect that it will come in at around the 75 level here, and we'll get a bounce back up. Let's go back to the weekly chart real quick. I think in the short term we're going to get some support here at around the $75 level, just from a technical perspective, in a few, maybe next week, maybe the week after, and rally the stock back up to around $90. I don't think this whole gap is going to get filled. It's normally filled. The rule is gaps normally get filled, but if you look at this stock right here, here's a gap right here in this stock that did not get filled, and that's got partially filled but not completely filled. That's unusual, but it is the case with this particular stock. So Nike's making a habit of not filling its gaps very well. It does fill them in some places. I'm looking through here and seeing that it's filled some, but I don't think this gap's going to get full completely. So again, down to 75, probably up to 90 over the next 3 weeks, and then we may, if we don't catch some support for real, we may attack that $60 level. If this stock continues to stay in a bear market, which it looks like to me it's probably going to do. All my opinion, all for entertainment purposes only, but that's my analysis for it right at the moment. I checked earlier, and we do not cover Nike on our algorithmically generated program, but we do cover 190 stocks. They're out every morning before 7 a.m. You can see we're out for Friday, the September 30th. We've got Apple, NIO, Tesla. We got them all populated here today. Yesterday we didn't have many at all, but today there's a lot of buys on here. You can get them all absolutely free at rbamresearch.com. We cover 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. All free, no credit card required, and everything's updated Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. You can head over there following the link and sign up for free. There's a If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. Please leave us a great comment. If you have a comment on moving averages, we'd love to hear about them, or anything else you want to talk about. And the important takeaway from this video is everything you've seen or heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. You can't use our entry prices or analysis for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.